Alright guys, TV number 8, Sony Trinitron TV. It's the one I got from the project. It's a little busted up already. I already took the TV yoke out of her, but we gotta smash her up now. Gotta freaking smash her. Oh yeah, I gotta get it all smashed down, get the metal out of it. See what she's got. We'll pop it today. Oh, she didn't blow up like usual. We're going to start up here at the top, smack that whole top right down. Big ass metal cage things. That's the one. Look at how thick of a metal cage it's got. Real thick. Real thick cage with a Trinitron, folks. Lady thought it was the screen. No, it's the freaking cage they built it. Holy shit ski. You first got that one done, Steve. A ton of shit on this. Ton of freaking stuff on the old Trinitron. There. Yep, I'll show you what we're working with. Trinitrons are so heavy because they got this big ass cage in them. Big ass steel frame cage, folks. Yep, we got that. Bunch of freaking wires in this. Looks like it's got a little box down here. Some aluminum ski. Nothing really to talk about. A few pieces of aluminum there. Got my capacitor there. Big ass piece of wire. Look at that. Oh yeah, and a steel cage, couple speakers, bunch of glass. That TV's down. On to the next one.